Hey everyone, and welcome to Tokyo. This city is amazing. It's where old traditions meet super cool technology. From the bright lights of Shibuya to peaceful temples and gardens, Tokyo is full of surprises. In this video, we'll explore Tokyo's culture, busy streets and yummy food. Come along with me as we explore Tokyo. Even though Tokyo is a modern city, it has strong traditions that are deeply rooted in its culture and history. From tea ceremonies that have been practiced for centuries to the rituals performed at ancient shrines, respecting these customs is important for both locals and visitors. These traditions are not just rituals, but a way of life. When you visit temples or shrines, remember to bow your head as a sign of respect and wash your hands and mouth at the fountain to purify yourself. You should also take off your shoes before entering homes or certain traditional buildings. They're considered unclean inside. Slippers are usually available for you to use. Even small acts of respect, like these, can help you understand and appreciate this amazing culture on a deeper level. By participating in these customs, you show your respect and admiration for the rich heritage of Japan. Tokyo's public transport is awesome. It's one of the most efficient and reliable systems in the world, making it easy to navigate the bustling city. Trains, subways and buses connect the whole city seamlessly. Whether you're heading to work, exploring tourist spots, or just running errands, there's always a convenient option. Get a Suica or Pasmo card. It's like a magic ticket for all public transport. These rechargeable cards can be used on trains, buses, and even at some stores. Just tap your card at the station gates and the fare is automatically taken care of. No need to worry about buying individual tickets each time. Remember to be considerate of other passengers. No loud talking, phone calls, or eating on the trains. This ensures a pleasant journey for everyone. Tokyo has so much delicious food, from fresh sushi, meticulously prepared by skilled chefs who have perfected their craft over years of practice, to tasty ramen, served piping hot in cozy little shops. But even at small food stalls, there are some things to remember. It's not polite to eat while walking, so find a place to sit and enjoy your meal, and don't forget about the vending machines. They have everything from hot coffee, perfect for a quick pick-me-up, to full meals that are surprisingly delicious and convenient. These machines are a testament to Tokyo's innovative spirit and commitment to convenience. It can be a little scary to visit a new place, but people in Tokyo are very nice and helpful. Not many people speak English, but trying a little Japanese goes a long way. Saying hello, konnichiwa, and thank you, arigato, will make people smile. Even if you make mistakes, it can lead to fun conversations. Places like Shibuya Crossing and Tokyo Skytree are cool, but don't forget to explore other places too. Check out the beautiful Imperial Palace Gardens or the fun backstreets of Yanaka. You can also find cool street art in Shibuya and vintage clothes in Harajuku. Tokyo's real magic is often found in unexpected places. Tokyo is a city of endless possibilities, mixing old traditions with futuristic wonders. Pack your sense of adventure and get ready for some surprises. Respect the culture, try new things, and let yourself be amazed by Tokyo. You won't regret it. Tokyo is a one-of-a-kind city. From the tall buildings to the delicious food and the interesting traditions, you'll never forget your visit. Remember the tips we talked about, like how to use the trains and be respectful of the culture. Until next time, goodbye.